Hello students, welcome to Module 2, which will focus on the early Africans in North America and also on the slavery system in North America. In this short lecture, I will explain the learning outcomes of this module as well as its content. First, with regard to the learning outcomes, by the end of this module, upon completing this module, you should be able to explain why the English settlers, so these are the so-called pilgrims, if you wish, why these English settlers needed workers and especially why they turned to Africa to get slaves. Next, you should be also able to explain how the status of the first Africans who came over here moved from the status of indentured servant to that of status of chattel slave, and you should be also be able to define these terms. Next, you should be also able to describe the role of the African Americans during the War of Independence and describe the life of the slaves on the cotton plantation and on other plantations. So this module will contain 4 recorded lectures, and each one of these recorded lectures will be followed by a reading, and I urge you to complete the reading before moving to the next lecture. You have also one map exercise to complete, one video to watch and respond to, and finally a quiz to take at the end of the module. So if you are ready, please move to lecture 2.1 to start Module 2.